Hi everybody, I'm Firefighter Eric and I'm here to tell you about the sounds that the ambulance makes. Alright, now we're going to go over what the siren sounds like on the ambulance, so you don't have to be scared. We're just going to help some people. We're asking the cars to get out of the way, or the patient knows that we're coming. So here's the sound. Now we're going to go in the ambulance and check out some of the sounds that you might hear if you're a patient in the back. Now we're in the back of the ambulance where we're going to treat you if you're sick or injured. And some of the equipment back here makes some weird noises. Like this right here is our cardiac monitor. You can hear it beeping. And it sounds different, but there's nothing to be afraid of. It's just here to help you out.